Let's divide 272 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, it's your favorite teacher here, ready to tackle another division adventure. If you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and join our awesome math squad. Let's go. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're dividing 272 by 2. We'll start with the first digit of 272, which is 2. We bring it down to join our partial. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. That matches our partial. Time to subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. No remainder here. Great job, you're doing fantastic. We've conquered the first digit. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, we bring down the next digit from 272, which is 7. Now our partial is 7. Here we go again. How many times does 2 go into 7? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 3 times. Let's multiply to see if 3 is right. 3 times 2 is 6. Perfect. Now we subtract 6 from our partial 7. What do we get? We get 1. You're on a roll, so close to the end. We have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the last digit. Last step, we bring down the final digit 2 and place it next to our remainder 1. Our new partial is 12. We're almost there. How many times does 2 fit into 12? You got it, it's 6 times. Let's check. 6 times 2 equals 12. Exactly right. Now for the final subtraction. 12 minus 12 equals 0. No remainder left. Woohoo, you did it. You solved the whole problem. And that's how you divide 272 by 2. You're a math superstar. So 272 divided by 2 equals 136. We just learned how to divide 272 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle and you've got all the pieces to solve it. Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today, super mathematicians. Keep shining, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos right here on Let's Stud. See you next time.